It's still too dark, so ain't nobody got time for that. Hey guys, it's me RT, and so far this toolbox will only fit on this truck right here. Not gonna lie, I think this adds to the look of the truck, but before we attach it, I'm gonna test it on all of these to find out if it'll fit on any of them or not. Let's see. I suppose that can work, but you might be able to tell I sort of forced that down into the bed I made last year. Not sure I want to do my best to make it fit on this truck if it won't work. And in this case, the bed is definitely not deep enough. If I was to cut off a piece of this, it could work, but I'm testing all these without messing with anything. Now on this one, I suppose it can work. Okay. That right there is the first perfect fit on this Chevy C10. Maybe it'll be worth turning this one into a work truck from the custom show truck it looks like right now. So it looks to me like this will fit perfectly on the Greenlight Ram Mopar. That's the 1500. So this is definitely not a perfect fit. It's sort of crooked on there. And there's quite a gap in between. Still looks pretty good though. Now this won't work at all. So a terrible fit. That's unfortunate because this is the one I was considering adding the toolbox to the most actually, but it just won't fit. Now this too is no good. Doesn't just drop in. It's just too wide. It's this close to being a perfect fit, but I already know why it's not. That little tube right there is just in the worst possible spot. If I wanted to add the toolbox to this one, unfortunately, those wheel wells or fender walls in the bed of that truck is it's just not going to work with this toolbox. Alright, so far, these four are the ones worth trying to get this toolbox to fit into. But like I said, it's most likely to be attached to the Hot Wheels Ram for a new leaf. Now on this one, when I put it in, it's not so easy to get back out. The C10 was the one perfect fit. Alright, so if there are any other trucks you'd like to see me test that on, see if it fits, you can let me know down below, or perhaps other videos I've done on my main channel, RT Spacer. You can see more of what I'm up to on Instagram at RTSpacerHD. For now, I've got to run. Hope to see you soon.